Europe, it's tricky to say in Europe because I would say Belgium, Holland, Switzerland, we tend to have the birds still pretty small, mostly. But then Germany, they went crazy. They're like the Bantam birds are sometimes just as big as the standard ones. And standard ones are losing a lot of breeders, so quality is like going back with standard breeds.
Yeah.
And so the sizes diminish of the standard animals. And just for Hamburgs, for example, if you have a silver spangled Bantam Hamburg that you can't really distinguish from a regular one, that's not idea. So yeah, there are a lot of debate.